in other programs. What you need? Right, but that's the whole thing. So same thing with how you said with family, you feel as if you're never, that's the frustration that a lot of my students, they feel and they experience because you guys are getting hit with the bargain basement baddies. Well, look, I only got $250, what can you do? Like, but you can't get frustrated with them. You think I didn't get hit with the bargain basement baddies? Do you think I get hit with them today? They know that we have nothing to talk about. It's the perception of your business. They know I can't, I'm not even, you wanna know what? Let me go get this photography stand until, it's a mindset thing. But you guys have to put yourselves in that element where you're standing apart. So there's other things you're gonna have to work on. This right here is gonna immediately get you visually attracted to a different kind of clientele. Somebody with $250, what I'm showing y'all today, they already know. No. And if y'all go back home, and if I find out that y'all, okay?
Another issue I have, because I feel like why I'm at a standstill of pushing my work, I can't figure a name to call what I feel like. People have like all these names there for the business, and I can't.
What you mean? The business name or the title?
The business name. I can't. I'm like, let me meditate, let me.
That's your answer, meditate. It's going to come to you. I want you to, I'm telling you, it's going to come to you. I swear, when I first did this thing, my first business was Posh Designs, LLC. I don't know where the name came up with. I just knew everything about me is posh. So I needed to, and at the time I was doing design, so I'm like, all right, it sounds a little slick, all right, let's just do a little LLC and bada bang, bada boom. That's what we had. But it was not, at the time I didn't understand the psychographics and what a name really means. Right. So until I really found out and found my vision and found out what I really wanted to do and why I wanted to do it, that birthed the Posh Academy. I knew now, it's like, nah, I want to go and make something beautiful. I'm bigger than that. I need to impact lives. I want to create a legacy. That to me, that's an academy. That's a tribe. That's different. So I still got the Posh Designs because that's my little fallback of things that, But that name means nothing to me other than that's my breakout into entrepreneurship, which is another reason why I keep it, because that's my breakout. But name, I had to meditate. And it took me a while. And I stuck with Posh Designs because nothing resonated. I'm like, all right. And I had these coaches, they were like, girl, forget the name. They were like, it's going to come to you. I'm like, no. Because I was so focused on the colors, the graphics, the font, the making it beautiful. And here I'm sitting there with no vision. I just want to look good. I don't know where it's going. Was that not backwards? But that's a lot of us, that's what we do. So honestly, the name, come up with that mission and that vision first. Why you even want a business, what it means to you, the name just won't come to you. So the name is not really, that's not the thing. That's not important as your mission and your vision. So focus on that, it'll come. All right, so I'm ready to get started.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a time check. Perfect, okay. So we're gonna run through this. Like I said, I'm gonna briefly explain intro to pipe and drape. You guys, especially if you've been new, you'll better grasp it when you're going to pick up an actual crossbar and all that stuff and putting it together, but I'm gonna at least tell you guys what it is. So, any questions?